Everyone thinks the best-selling nose hair trimmer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Grooming Painless Trimmer. First up, we have the Grooming Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer priced at $12.99. Right off the bat, what caught my eye was its bestseller status with over 92,000 reviews, a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want a reliable tool that efficiently tackles unwanted hair, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it's waterproof, IPX7 rated, which means you can clean it easily under running water. It operates quietly under 50 dB, making it perfect for early mornings or late nights. With a single AA battery not included, it can last for up to 6 months of casual use, which is impressive. Now, some users mention that it's a bit bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a bit of extra weight for a powerful performance, this trimmer is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, efficient trimmer that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're after something ultra-compact for travel. With its price, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Now, if the bulkiness of the Grooming bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, XOOMRSCP Rechargeable Trimmer. Next up is the XOOMRSCP Nose Hair Trimmer for $14.93. This one caught my attention with its rechargeable feature and decent rating of 4.5 stars from over 5,300 reviews. If you want a painless trimming experience without the hassle of changing batteries, you should check this out. The IPX7 waterproof feature means you can easily clean it, and it runs quietly too under 50 dB. Plus, with USB charging, you can easily recharge it in under 2 hours, which gives you 2-3 months of use on a single charge. How does that sound? However, some users found that it didn't handle thick hair as well as they'd hoped. But honestly, if you're someone who mainly trims finer hair, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This product is great for you if you're after a rechargeable and powerful option that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this if you have a thicker hair type you need to tackle. For the price, it does a great job. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, JETIF 3-in-1 Trimmer. Now let's look at the JETIF 3-in-1 Nose Trimmer, which is priced at $16.99. This caught my eye because it offers 3 interchangeable heads. With a 4.5-star rating from 6,000 reviews, it seems to be quite popular. If you want a multifunctional grooming tool, this one's worth considering. The HD digital display is a nice touch, showing you the battery percentage so you're never caught off guard. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB-C, which is super convenient. However, some users mention that the digital display can be a bit glitchy. But here's the thing, if you can live without it being perfect, the performance of the trimmer itself makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile trimmer that covers all your grooming bases. Skip this if you're looking for something very simple. With the multiple functions, it offers great value for money. Now, if you're looking for something more straightforward, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 4, Grooming Basic Trimmer. Up next is another Grooming model, this one priced at a budget-friendly $9.99. It has a similar design to the first, but comes in at an even lower price point while still boasting a 4.4-star rating from over 92,000 reviews. If you need an affordable option that still performs well, you should give this one a look. It's also lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for quick touch-ups. The battery lasts for a good duration, and the quiet operation is a bonus. Some users complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. But honestly, if you're just looking for something to get the job done without breaking the bank, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an economical choice that won't let you down. Skip this if you want a high-end feel in your grooming tools. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, if you're looking for a more advanced option, our final product might just pique your interest. Product number 5, Conair Man Precision Trimmer. Finally, we have the Conair Man Nose Hair Trimmer priced at $26.50. This one stands out with its patent-pending 360-degree beveled blade system, which offers a close, comfortable trim. With a 4.4-star rating from 9,500 reviews, it's definitely in the higher price range. If you're seeking precision, this could be your best bet. It's cordless and battery-operated, which adds to its portability. Plus, it comes with a washable attachment for easy cleaning. However, some users found it less powerful than expected. But I'll be real with you, if you need a gentle touch for sensitive areas, this trimmer might actually be what you're looking for. This is perfect for you if you want a premium, precision grooming tool for sensitive areas. Skip this if you're looking for something more heavy-duty. For the quality you get, it's a worthwhile investment. So to wrap it all up, the ZORAMI painless trimmer is great for budget-conscious users. The XOOMRSCP offers a rechargeable option. The JDETIF is versatile. The second ZORAMI is perfect for quick trims, and the Canarman is all about precision. Each has its pluses and minuses, but it really depends on what you need most. Happy trimming!